Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Mpumi and Co. with funds and galore, where investing needs more. So guys, this is the second time I'm recording this video, guys. Like, yo, my network has been tripping, so we're back again. Let me take another recording. So later on, like I stated in the video that I deleted, that I'm going to also be covering the second part on our monetary talk show, guys. I've already covered the Bretton Woods system. Now we're gonna be dwelling deeper and we're gonna be looking at inflation. Then once everything has been covered the way I want to cover it, then we can put it all together and group it and make sense of it, so you understand how money works, guys. So that is a topic for another time. So for now, let's dive into USA30. We coming from a victorious win. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If you're with me at the market breakdown, you should have noticed that the market is respecting our setups 100%. We were able to take those buying opportunities yesterday, close in an hour or two. So guys, that's the power of knowing how to apply your strategy, guys. It took me 4 years. Now we're killing it, we're doing it. Now I'm giving you guys this knowledge totally for free, guys. So the question is, what do you do? What do we do after we win a trade? So the next thing we do, guys, is that we need to follow our rules again. We need to check in what the market is giving us. Like I said, we're still expecting pushes to the upside, but we're not gonna be jumping and rushing into entries, guys. So we're gonna be waiting, and yeah, we're gonna evaluate what's going on. So for now, let us just see why our trade won last week. Let's just check again, guys. So like I stated, what is this? Like I stated, guys, we had an overall support. Let me just go to the 4 hours. As you can see, we had a zone here. So guys, you have to create a playground. So we created a playground. You see there was this beautiful zone there. Okay, it flopped at the ending. Okay, there we go. We had a beautiful zone at this region, right? Like I said, when the market is below this level, it is called a resistance. So it's a resistance. So like here was a resistance for this time on the 12th of February. This was a resistance, but on the 22nd of February, the resistance turned into a new support, and it was like this for a couple of days, respecting the support, eventually going up, creating a whole new resistance area here. Until to this date, this level here has never been broken, guys. So this is our resistance floor. I will tell you why it's so important right now. So like I said, it's a resistance because market is playing below. We had a reversal pattern there until the market dropped back into the support over here. Like I said, when the market is here, there's two supports, right? There's two channels here. So if you're looking to trade against the market, you would have waited for the prices to break below this one here so that you can have proper confirmations. But we don't trade against the market, and I was just telling you guys, if you wanted to trade against the market, in case you have two zones back to back like this, guys, the market manipulators can use both of these zones to catch you guys out and catch us out. So you need to be aware on how they work so that you don't get trapped. Like I stated, guys, the market was playing and it came back here, failing to break this overall support here, going back up, coming back here, failing to break the support here. You see, we have a playground. Our playground is simply this. Let's just remove everything. Our playground is simply this, guys. This is our overall playground, right? If you're looking at it overall, so this is our playground. So if this is our playground, we're expecting market to play around this area until it breaks above, like I always say, or breaks below, like I just demonstrated now. So we are playing and the market has respected the zone here, and therefore it has broken also into our second zone here, So this zone, as long as the market is playing below it, it's a resistance, but as soon as the market plays above, we're looking for buying opportunity. So we were able to tell that, okay guys, we're gonna be waiting for the market to give us more confirmation, like I stated in my previous video of US30 market breakdown part 2, that we're gonna wait when the market, I think the market was playing around here, that we're gonna wait for the market to break back in here so that we can capitalize on our buying opportunities. Like I said, we wanna complete this whole setup here, guys. So for now, we took in our buys yesterday and we won guys, we won. And the things are also, my updates for yesterday's trades are also posted on my TikTok and my Instagram page, so you can go check them out there, guys. The reels that are posted for the wins that we took. So guys, like I said, now we have hit our TP. So what do we do from this point onwards? From this point onwards, it's always important to never get too excited. Be excited, but once you come back to the market, all of that excitement must be on halt. It must be neutral. You must be like you did not win. Always keep that in mind, so that you should not be overconfident and take unnecessary trades. So now let's look what the market is doing, guys. So after we've taken a trade, we need to see if the market is giving us more data that we can use in terms of levels, zones, or trends, guys. First and foremost, let's see if the market is creating a new trend, guys. As we can see here, the market might be creating a new trend. The market is creating a new trend. Let's make it, what should we make it? I don't know what this color is, pink or what? And let's just make it 2 so that it's more clearer. Okay, there we go, guys. So what do you do on the bottom, we do on top. We do on top. So guys, as you can see, we have new data, we have a new trend forming right now. As you can see, we have hit the overall resistance of this trend. As we stated, guys, the market buys at the support and it sells at the resistance, buys at the support and sells at the resistance, right? But why do I always say, guys, we're not looking to trade against the market, we want to trade with the market. So instead of attempting to capitalize on these breaks and retest here, which is also highly possible, guys, the market can continue going back down, don't get me wrong, but we're not looking to capitalize on sells at this moment. Because why? What does our daily say? Where's the overall momentum, guys? It's for buys. The overall momentum is for buys. So what, guys, like I always say, you need to be always one step ahead of the market. You need to be able to see what the market is gonna potentially do before it does it, and that's how you can spot out your entries, guys. That's how you can spot out your entries. So in this case, let's see where can we look for our buying opportunities. So we need to go back into our book. What does the book, or what does the law state? The law states that we buy under, like, once the, like, right, we buy on the support and we sell on the resistance, and that also market can break either to the upside or break to the downside. So for in this case, we will be looking for continuations up into this level. Like I said, we use levels and zones. So we've reached our level. So basically what we'll be waiting for is we'll be waiting for the market to break, give us those beautiful retest, confirmation first, guys, confirmation before entering, or otherwise you will be snapped at. Look at you, the buyers took entries here because they saw this was a support. They saw, but it chowed them. Because you need to be patient and you need to wait for proper confirmation, because what the market can do is create a fake out. A fake out is when the market breaks. It can pretend to retest. Then once we take in our buying entries right here, right? Once we take our buying entries right here, the market can wait for you guys to get trapped. After you get trapped, then it drops back down. That is what we call a fake out. So it's possible to you must always be careful of such moves, guys. So also what to look at is how the market breaks this trend. If the market breaks impulsively, we could expect continuations to the upside. If the market breaks correctively, we can expect reversals. So it all depends on how the break happens, but this is a part of the advanced trading course that I'm working on, which I'll also share it on our official website, guys. So be sure to check it out. Never miss out on anything. This knowledge is for free. Everything, guys. I love trading. We love trading at Funds and Galore. We don't care about making money. We just want to give you guys the best so that we can create a trading community and just trade. Everybody trade, have fun. Trading is a sport. Trading is fun, guys. Like, oh my, right, there's nothing I would rather do, guys. I'd rather backtest, work on my skills, and be spending hours and hours and hours wasting time on Netflix, Showmax, whatever you guys watch. But anyways, guys, this is it. We're waiting for continuations to the upside. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. So what guys, we must look what confirmations are also present at this with the data that we have now. We can see that the market is forming some form of W formation, and it's happening where at a zone level. Like I always say, W's always happens on either the support or it always happens on the support, my man. And on the resistance, like here, we find M's from Bumi and Co. You look for M's from Bumi and Co. You see, for head and shoulders. You see. So we're looking for continuations to the upside, guys. Please, and I'm grateful for everybody who subscribed to the channel. I think we're on 13, guys. I am so proud of the accomplishments that I have so far. 13 is a lot for me. I never thought I'm gonna get 13 that quick. So guys, let's try and get more people up into this channel. The more people in it, the more we can interact, discuss certain things, agree and disagree, guys. I like talking. I'm not gonna be one of those guys be like, hey, nah, why are you selling when I'm buying? I'm not those type, guys. We are here to learn and we are here to build each other. Like I said, this is not an exclusive group. Funds and Galore, guys, it's a movement for anyone who wants to learn, who wants to improve their skills, guys. And I also want to give a big shout out to my boy forgive me if I die. He's a music producer. All of these beats that I've been playing, analyzing since the start of my videos, it's all him. He's been giving me a lot of beats just to play around, analyze with, guys. So I just want to give it a big shout out to my boy. He's a producer, very talented. Any style or form that you're into, rap, R&B, anything, he does everything. He's like the modern day Dr. Dre, guys. So, like I said, we're waiting for break and continue. And guys, like I stated in my earlier videos, we're only looking to eat impulse moves. If you were at the Strategic Trading Academy, you would have seen that I've covered impulse and correction, and that's one of the same principles that we used to enter at this trade. We had very strong impulses, the market corrected downwards, and we had strong impulses, so it's possible for the market to play around here before creating those buying opportunities. We wait for the retest, for the correction to happen, then afterwards we chop it up. We chop it up. So we're not just gonna enter, break and read, because you need confirmation. The more confirmation your trade has, the more it becomes a high probability trade. Let's look at the trade that I took. What is the first reason? Yes, the first reason, we have a support and a resistance on the trend, right? That's one confirmation. Second confirmation, we have a support structure here as support zone. Two confirmations. We have impulse, correction and impulse. Three confirmations. How many confirmations did we have for sell that the market can fail to break above here and continue down? So we only had one confirmation for sell. So where would you put your odds, on the 3 or on the 1? That's a cheat code, guys. That's a cheat code. I'll cover it at the advanced trading course. So for now, guys, I would like to end this by saying thank you. Thank you for supporting the channel. The channel is growing thanks to all of you guys. Let's grow. Now I need you guys to try and interact with the boy. Let's interact, let's talk trading. And I'm also gonna be posting the analysis that I had with my boy Leo Flay. We both worked on. I analyzed, I think it was USD ZAR. Yeah, you wanna see me analyze currency? Stick around. Stick around, people, stick around. So yeah, that is coming. And later tonight, like I said, the monetary talk show is on. It's lit. We're talking about inflation and how inflation has done the most. So guys, that is it for today. If any questions, hit me up. So peace.